how to delete Facebook page permanently. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And when you use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, okay, on the top, okay, select the page you want to delete permanently. Okay, tap this profile on the right side of this. And you can see the page. So this is my page I manage. And to delete permanently this page. So for my example, I delete one of my page permanently. So I delete the Pinoy Kaba. Okay, you can tap the page you want to delete. And after that, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. If you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so tap menu on the lower right side on your screen. And after that, tap the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to your information section. Here you can see the access and control. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can see here the deactivation and deletion. So temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your page. So okay, you can tap this. And now there are two options. So you can deactivate the page temporary or you can delete the page permanently. So I decide to delete the page permanently. And after that, tap the continue button. And here, before you delete, we may be able to help. So, okay, after that, tap the continue button. And okay guys, here, so you can download the information of your page, the info, and transfer your information. But for now, I delete permanently my page. Okay, tap the continue button below. And enter your Facebook password. And after you enter the Facebook password, tap the continue button. And another, okay, confirm deletion. So, tap the continue button. And okay guys, here, delete this page so you can see the page you want to permanently delete. Okay, tap the delete page button here to delete permanently on your Facebook account, the Facebook page.